Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In today's video, we'll take a look at an Earth Day themed video called Where Do I Go? Now, this is supposed to be a nice interactive template that you can use with your team and everybody can interact with it and play with it almost like an icebreaker or an in-workshop activity. It's actually quite neat because you this template basically gives you a bunch of things which you need to drag into one of these recycling bins that I've pasted over here. And so you imagine sharing this with the team and everybody is just trying to sort of put the items in the right bin and talk about it. And of course the reason for this is because it is Earth Day. It is celebrating Earth Day and celebrating the fact that we are doing the right thing and recycling the right elements in the right bins and doing our bits for nature. If I click on the use template button here to copy this template to my Miro board, this is what it will look like. And once you've unlocked the items from the board, what you can do is like you can say, oh yeah, I'm looking at this particular item here, and I want to put it in this bin. So as you drag the item into the bin, it just goes and hides inside the bin, sort of almost showing that it is inside the bin. So it's placed that way, and you can keep doing that. You can actually you can just do that, and you can drag each and every item from here into one of these bins. You can even go ahead and add more items to this sort of space when you are creating this template for your icebreaker activities in case these items are not enough. So that was a quick video demonstrating this template that I've made called Earth Day Where Do I Go? I'll leave a link to this template in the description down below if you want to go ahead and check it out and copy it to your Miro board. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. That really helps this channel to grow. That's all for this video. I'll see you in another one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.